You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very common word in English. You need to master the pronunciation of this one if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary and how it compares to other words in English. Stay tuned. Bed. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. How to pronounce bed. 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 Easy once you know. Bed. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.